In this short video, I will show you what it's like to anchor in Spa Creek in Annapolis, Maryland. It's November 1st, and I'm at the St. Mary's mooring field in Annapolis, and I'm in t-shirts and shorts. I don't know, it's like 70 degrees. It's just absolutely perfect weather. And you can see the foliage is turning. There's a beautiful red tree over there. Everything is beginning to change. But it's like 70 degrees out. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is probably one of the best spots to tie up to a mooring ball in all of Annapolis, in my opinion. You're tucked back in here. And the weather, you don't get any wave actions. A little bit off the bulkhead. That's like right along in there. Over here behind me, of course, is St. Mary's Church. And that all dates back to 1600s. I'll find out more information on that. But the most coolest part about being here at St. Mary's is right there. When you go to cemeteries, you always look, there's stories. There's stories about all of these folks. Now, I'm going to do some research on this priest here. But if you look at the dates, he died July 9th, 1866. This priest died the same day, 1866. And this one died a day later in 1866. I have absolutely no idea, but I'm going to research it. Wow. And the large building here to that one there, that was the convent. Now what's really interesting, if you look at that structure, you can see all the fireplaces. Now, I counted 10 stacks coming up on each one of those main brick fireplace. In other words, there's like 20 fireplaces in that house. It's pretty cool. Of course, over here, as we pan around, that's the Annapolis Yacht Club. And then, of course, the Eastport Bridge. Swing back around. This boat right here is from Canada, from Quebec. Now, the facilities that are over here, all those new condos and that yacht yard or marina is all brand new. A lot of money is sitting in boats on that. Anyway, this is my favorite place, like, in the entire world.